Greetings everyone, welcome back into my channel. This is Gabby here and you are with Cook with Gabby. So yes, welcome back, and to those my new friends, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and if you can share it, please do. Yes, thank you so much in advance. So lucky you are here because I am gonna show you a trick, a technique on how we're gonna cook a perfect vegetable. So yes, vegetables. Why? We are going to have a vegetables party today because most of us doesn't really like vegetables. Okay, I am not guilty because I love vegetables myself, but most especially those kids, right? Some kids really don't like vegetables. Some more when we don't train them in the early age. Oh my god, that can be really tricky. But with art and passion and a taste as well, so I'm gonna show you guys. Maybe you can try it to make it for your children, so they will love vegetables in the future and they will ask you to cook for them. Yes, so I have a parsnips here, so I called it here in the Netherlands pastinak. This is parsnips. And also I have a bell peppers. This is sweet one, yeah, sweet bell peppers, and this is pastinak. I'm gonna combine this into the most delicious vegetables you have ever tried in your life. Yes. So what do we need? We have pastinak, it's parsnips of course. We have bell peppers, and the tricky part is we need to use the cold butter. So meaning to say it has to be in the fridge, firm and cold, so we have a really nice and milky puree later. Salt and pepper of course, and some water to cook our parsnips, and we have some chives here for decorations for our of course decoration, and some vegetables on this side. Let's see, and please join me. Yes, yeah. So first I need a pot where we have to cook our parsnip. Yes, and I'm gonna peel this. Yeah. So we're gonna cook it until it's soft, very soft. So as you can see, I never put anything in there, no seasoning, nothing. I just boiled it and until I just cooked it, guys. So meanwhile, we're gonna prepare this. So not too big. Like an inch thick, as you can see, like this. Look at that. Yeah. So we're gonna cook until the water is drained. So as you can see, there is no water already. So this is done. Yeah. So this is ready. So next I'm going to do is get my butter. So we have our stick blender ready. Yeah. Okay, and our cold butter is here. Salt, pepper, yes. So let's go. So if you think that it is smooth enough, or if you are not satisfied, you can still run it, and you can slowly drop the cold butter in there. So we have 1, 2 butter, right? the texture changes, so I love to put more butter. So by this time you can add some spices already, like salt and pepper. Okay, put this one out first. Again, some salt. Salt. Pepper. And then mix it up again. Alright. So this is done for me. So look at the consistency, it's creamy and delicious. Yeah. So let's scrape out everything. I don't want to waste anything of it. Alright, there we go. Our parsnips puree. Look at that. Yeah, so we have parsnips puree done. Next is the bell pepper. So our bell peppers already cut, and if you guys prefer it fresh and just assemble it with our parsnips puree, but I like to bring out the taste of the bell pepper, so I'm gonna put it in the pan and quickly toast it. Yes, so there you go. So I like to put a little bit butter in there in the pan. Bell pepper in. Okay, just a quick toast, yeah? So you just have to have the taste. Because we want it crispy, you know? A little bit char on top, that is what we are looking for. So a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, yes. So that is done. Alright, so we are ready for assembling. Yes, so our parsnips puree done, and also the bell pepper is done, so we're going to assemble it. Okay, so first I am going to take a little bit of this green vegetables here, because we're going to assemble it in the plank. Yeah, so I'm gonna take some of this. So we want to try to achieve the looks. Okay, okay, so wash it. So there you have it, the parsnips puree and the bell peppers. Yeah, so we are not done yet. I'm going to put some garnish on top of it so it looks more inviting. So I have some chives here. I'm gonna chop some leaves of it. Last touch, the chives. Some children doesn't like chives, so just leave it, don't put anything. That's if adults eat it, you can use it also as a starter, vegetarian starter. Okay, there you go. There's your dish. Yeah, so hope you like it, guys. And see, look at that, the beautiful. So hope you like this, and I will see you again on my next vlog. Yeah, this is Gabby here with my parsnips puree. I have to look this. So at last touch and done up. So we have our parsnips puree and bell peppers. Yeah, look at that. Isn't it nice? Yeah. So it's appetizing, and most especially it's delicious, and it's vegetables. So it's the most nutritious, guys. So if you liked it, give me a thumbs up, and please do not forget to like and subscribe into my channel. So and then press the bell on, of course, so you are notified when I have a new video. See you again in my next vlog. Yes, it's Gabby here. Bye, everyone. Yes, that's for you. Look at that. Bye.